QuickEMR includes a built-in system notification feature that allows you to display important reminders directly inside the system, exactly where your users need to see them. These notifications can be triggered to appear on specific screens, such as on the dashboard, inside a patient's case, or when creating a note or appointment, helping ensure important information isn't missed. This is especially helpful for communicating workflow updates, special instructions, or time-sensitive reminders to your team. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and configure a system notification so it appears at the right time and place for your staff to see. To begin, you will first need to navigate to Connect and then System Notifications. This is where all of your existing reminders are stored and managed. From here, select the Create button to start building a new notification. Start by entering a clear title and description for your reminder. The title can be something short and easy to recognize, such as Collect Copay, while the description can include more detailed instructions or context for your team, such as John owes a copay of $100 that needs to be collected on his next visit. Next, choose the start and end dates. These dates control how long the notification will remain active. This is helpful if the reminder is temporary, such as a policy change, specific event, or short-term workflow update. If you do not enter an end date, the notification will simply appear forever or until the user dismisses the notification. The next step is to decide who should see the notification. You can assign the created notification to a specific user, or select for each user if you would like everyone in the system to receive it. Finally, you will want to select a specific case, which ties the notification directly to that record. This means that for this case, during these triggered events, this notification will display for these selected users.